bone-shaking, head-turning roar. How does Dodge engineer such an iconic sound? Massive 6.2L displacement means larger explosions, more air fuel equals louder combustion. Pushrod valvetrain, unlike modern DOHC engines, creates a raw, uneven exhaust pulse, key to that American muscle snarl. Straight-through mufflers or none at all minimize sound restriction, because quiet isn't in a Challenger's vocabulary. The 5-7-2-8 firing sequence creates deliberate, uneven pulses, unlike smoother European V8s. This is why it sounds like angry thunder. So next time you hear that roar, remember it's not luck. It's calculated acoustic violence engineered to give you chills.